In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add manipulation indicator in TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the indicator and how to get it onto your chart so you can start using it right away. First, open the TradingView app on your phone. From the main screen, look along the bottom toolbar and head straight to the Chart tab. This is where you'll see your price action and any tools you've already added. The Chart tab is the perfect starting point because TradingView only lets you add indicators from within an active chart view. Don't worry about which symbol or time frame you're on for now. Whatever you already have open will work. Next, look for the Indicators button along the bottom. On mobile, it often looks like an FX icon or a label that says Indicators. Tap that to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. At the top of this panel is a search bar. Tap into the search bar and type the word manipulation. You'll see matching results appear below. This list can include built-in options and public scripts from the community, so take a second to identify the specific manipulation indicator you want to use based on its name and description. When you see the manipulation indicator you're looking for, simply tap it. That's all it takes to add it to your chart. You'll be returned to the chart view, and the indicator will overlay automatically. If it looks subtle at first, pinch to zoom or switch between light and dark themes to improve visibility. You can also confirm it's active by checking the indicator list on your chart. The name should appear near the top area of the screen. If your chart ever feels cluttered, you can temporarily hide other indicators using their visibility toggles and focus on just the manipulation tool. And if you want to fine-tune how it looks later, the indicator settings are accessible from its label on the chart. That's it. Open the app, go to Chart, tap Indicators, search Manipulation, and tap it to add. You're all set.